Also, I wanted to send you this video because I know this week you're going into cements and I wanted to better prepare you. I wanted to show you that within Evolve, and this you can go through your SOAR, through Evolve, and then click instructor resources on previous videos I've sent you guys on how to get there. If you forget, let me know and I'll show you the path. But I'm just going to skip ahead and assume you know how to get there. But let me know if you can't, because I know you have lab tomorrow. So once you're within the instructor resources part of your Evolve, of your 13th edition dental assisting book, go in there and like here, instructor resources, you're going to go to, now I know in week 2 you went over cements as part of your lecture, but now in lab, that's the part you're going to cover. So within here, you're going to go to, let's see if everything stayed the same. Instructor resource, image collection. 1 second, hold on. Chapter, dental board, image, teach. Okay, let's see here. We're going to go to, no, not that one. You know what? I think it's within student resource. Let me go back. Okay, student resource. Okay, here it is. So it should be within, let's double check. I believe chapter 45, because that's dental cements. Okay, let's check really quick. So we could even check 42, because 44. 44 has video. So video with, right here in the middle, video with English and Spanish subtitles. So you'll click, and within here, and I think it would be a good idea, like as you go and prepare, always check within student resources to see if there's any videos that are linked to your specific chapters, because there's a good chance these videos were uploaded within SOAR, because I noticed saliva read, impression materials, HIPAA. I know there's quite a few videos that they've already kind of brought into SOAR so that the students can watch them themselves. And I say this because you want to demonstrate it and explain it almost in the same way the videos are. I know we've been in the field for like 5, 7, 10 plus years, and we have our way of kind of teaching them because we've been in the field. So we're going based off of that. But it's also a good idea to kind of mimic the videos that are being provided to the students, because this is like the book way to show them the correct way of doing things, right? So you could always incorporate your way and explain, I've never seen this done, but this is how we're supposed to be taught. But let me show you my tips and XYZ, whatever applies, right? So here you have mixing and placing zinc oxide usional cement. Oh, sorry, the first one. Mixing and applying calcium hydroxide. So this is DiCal. So here you have a video of them. Let me turn my phone to the side. Mixing DiCal. Let's see if it shows.
Gather your supplies and material. With Mirror and Explore, examine the cavity preparation and determine where the material is to be placed. Dispense small and equal amounts of the catalyst and base paste onto the paper mixing pad.
And you also kind of want to follow the same armamentarium, meaning supplies that they have in the video. The gauze, the mixing pad, the spatula. And just have everybody do the same, you know?
Gather the material on your spatula and, in a wiping motion, quickly mix the material over a small area of the paper pad. Total mixing time is 10 to 15 seconds.
And this helps kind of to use the same verbiage that they're using too, you know, just so that you're a better instructor
pick up a
as you're
amount
explaining.
Of the material. Apply a thin layer at the deepest area of the preparation.
And I know this is something you went over on amalgam week, so it wouldn't hurt to kind of go over it again, you know? Then you have mixing and placing zinc oxide usional, which is IRM, and this, as here it says, as a base, which is like a thicker consistency. I'm using my phone. I know you like to use your laptop, so you'll probably have a better view of it than here.
Prepare the powder by fluffing the bottle before opening.
So they got to fluff the powder, okay? Which in the field, I never did.
2 scoops of powder,
I'll be honest.
To 2 drops of liquid.
And it even
dispense level scoops of the powder on one side of the treated paper pad.
It even goes over ratios. And then
and then dispense the drops of liquid on the other half of the pad.
So it's good stuff. Definitely take the time to watch this. If not tonight, tomorrow before you come to lab. Next, you have mixing polycarboxylate as a base, because you're going to teach them how to mix eluting, which is more of a liquidy consistency, and base, which is thicker.
For this material is 2 to 1.
Okay, so 2 powders to 1 liquid.
Incorporate the first scoop of powder into the liquid and spatulate until thoroughly mixed.
Okay, so that's chapter 44. I just wanted to make sure I show you. Let's go back and do 45. Let's see what's in there. Maybe we can click over here and just skip right to it. Okay, good. See, and here you have mixing glass ionomer for permanent cementation, mixing glass ionomer for, oh, okay, twice. Mixing polycarboxylate, mixing zinc phosphate, and then removing cement. So zinc phosphate, I know, is with like a glass slab. I never used it in the field, but it's one of their checkoffs. So just make sure you sit back, watch these so you can better demo for them tomorrow.
Mixing zinc phosphate for permanent cementation. Using a cool glass
slab. I'll let you watch that on your own. I just wanted to make sure I share this with you. And you can take the time to go over this, I believe, tomorrow and Thursday night. So we can show them how to kind of do this. Follow the calendar too. I know it goes over cementation, and let me see. I'll pull it up really quick just because I was in there right now. Let's see. Sorry, 1 second. Using the computer. For week 4, it says Chair said yeah. So it mentions composite, which you might have already gone over, bleaching techniques, which you might have already gone over, and then just the mixing of cements. And if you want to incorporate amalgam and composite again, you can. We also have crowns in the lab, like isoform, like temporary ones, so that they can kind of practice filling in a crown. That works too. That way maybe they can glue it on, geez, I don't have any prep teeth. I'm thinking just so they can practice removing the cement. But I mean, if you have a model or two, you can probably set it up in the room. So once they're at the tables and they get they get the idea of mixing cement, maybe you can have like 2 dexters, or if not, yeah, I would say a dexter. That way they can mix cement and learn how to place it. Possibly you can do temp bond instead of a permanent cement. Have a prep tooth on a dexter, or if not on a model, whatever works, in the ops, whether it's 2 ops, all 3, or just 1, completely up to you. But remember to give yourself enough prep time so that you can have all that ready. Don't do this at 6 o'clock. Be ready before 6. And then have those ready so that at least they can practice filling a crown with temp bond, cementing it, and then allowing like some time to go by so they know exactly when they can kind of check the cement, pick at it, and know when it's a good time to clean it off. And then explain how important it is to run the floss first, and then, remove the buckle and lingual cement. So I know you know your stuff, but I'm just trying to help so you can better prepare for this week, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Oh, and come see me tomorrow if you want me to show you where the cements are. I think I've already shown you, but just to confirm, let me know, okay?